So we're just inside. Tiles have come, but we're just using the rest of these brick up. Just putting a little wall in, and then what we'll do is we'll take these out, or customer will or whatever, and then fill it back with soil when they've all gone off. So just using bricks up makes it look a bit smarter. We've just got these bits to put in. I've just done my cuts for corner, and then my mate's been loading the roof out with these tiles. So hopefully tomorrow, it's like dinner time now already, so tomorrow we should be able to start tiling it all. We're going to put this on the dry ridge kit for on top instead of bedding it on with sand and cement, because I'm a bit worried about cement cracking, but we've still got a cement up there, so we have got to put a bit of cement in, but if I use the dry verge it should be a bit better. So right, let's we'll crack on with this and get this finished off. Oh, you bugger. I just dropped it on deck. Took my hand off and it fell off. Yeah, bagger. I've got it though. Bit of a farce like, but I got it on. Let's crack on this bit now. Chip brick. Don't look too bad, that, does it? Tim's on it today, bacon sandwiches. Well, then we've got some sausage for a sausage sandwich as well.
Oh yeah.
Black coffee because I forgot milk.
Now got a shake.
She is in. Yes. All around that one. So that's it, got all the tiles on. Ridge tiles next. So we're just putting on these ridge tiles. So pretty really easy, this dry ridge system's pretty easy to put on. So you stick this on, get it in the centre. You have two battens underneath it, which can you see on there? So basically you just put two battens on your ridge. It gives you these instructions, pretty easy. Two battens on ridge. It's got tape on both sides, you just peel that off, peel it about a foot at a time, stick it on like that, down middle of your ridge, make sure it's in middle, measure it if you want. This is pretty straight, so on an old house I normally measure it because it's up and down all of it, but this is pretty straight, so I've just put it on. And then all you do is, I'm bedding last one on, but you just put it on then, you just put them on, centre, and then what you get is you get these clips and they just go under here. You just put them under like that, and then you get these ones, clips. You should have one with a screw hole in. These are them, look. So these are which screw hole in, then you get a couple without. And basically, you shove this one in when you get the other one on. Get your ridge tile on. Need a ridge tile. Pause it and get it.
Yep.
Yep. So then you put your other ridge tile to it, like that. Squeeze them up, and then your top clip goes in here. This is where your screw is going to go. squeeze that down to that. Nice and tight. There we go. Then you get your other 2 clips. These are the ones without the holes in, so August at the top. They go on like that. Get it under, and the other one goes in here. Like that. And then all you do is you get a long screw, one of these, and then you just put it to the top and screw it all together, and it tightens the whole thing, knits together and tightens it all up. And that's it. As simple as that. So that's it, we've finally got this carport finished. So we're a week late on this video. I've been doing a bathroom next door, putting a shower in and what have you. So I haven't really had time to do this because I've been messing about building a fence at home as well. So, but yeah, this is it, it's all finished. I think we're going to put some gutter in, come back and put some gutter in on this because it rained the other day and it was like splashing on pillars. So we're going to bob a bit of gutter on that. But this is right back where we did the cladding. So it's all looking good, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.